This is a hobby video for all ages. I take no claims to any and all trademark and copywritten content. Exercise patience. This is a long one. In this video, we'll be looking at 6 more Legend Raise buckles. But there's a couple of things I want to show you first. When I ordered the 6 buckles, I got 3 more items as a gift. 2 of them were mystery boxes containing Chibi-style Final Form Rider figurines. The ones I got are Kamen Rider Gaim Kiwami arms and Kamen Rider 02. The third item is a small poster for the Kamen Rider Geats and Osama Sentai King Oger movies. With that out of the way, let's look at the first Legend Raise buckle. It's the Den-O belt buckle! Based on the belt worn by Kamen Rider Den-O. Alright, on to the next one. The hand in the center tells me this is the Wizardriver Buckle, based on the belt worn by Kamen Rider Wizard. What could the next one be? Why, it's the Driver Buckle, based on the belt worn by Kamen Rider Build, and a few other riders, but we're focusing on the lead rider. Ooh, I have a good feeling about this next one. It's the Ziku Driver Buckle! Based on the belt that kickstarted my demonstration videos. Worn by the king himself, Kamen Rider Zio! And a few others, but again, focusing on the lead rider. Only 2 buckles left, so let's move on to the next one. Ooh, it's the Seiken Swordriver Buckle! Based on the belt worn by Kamen Rider Saber and two of his allies, but oh, what the heck, you get the point. Because Kamen Rider Revice came out right before Kamen Rider Geats, that show is the only one to have more than one belt in raised buckle form. Case in point, the Demon's Driver Buckle. Based on the belt worn by Kamen Rider Demons. And by... No! Don't say it! They get it already! Now let's try them all out in the Desire Driver. Because Demons is the third male writer to appear in Kamen Rider Revice, we're gonna use Buffa's Rider Core ID for this next one. Now let's see how well the Vision Driver animates the masks that go with these belts. A possible seizure warning is in effect. The way it animates Deno's mask is fairly decent. Wizard's mask is hard to tell at first, but it's even harder to tell when the white lights glare in the camera so much. Belt's mask is animated perfectly! Even the eye colors are perfect! Of course, through the camera, the eyes are a bit on the glare side. It's impossible to animate the Japanese kanji that form Zio's eyes. But you can still tell that it's his mask. Or at least you would if the white lights didn't glare at the camera. Saber's mask turns out pretty well. But once again, the brighter the lights, the more they glare at the camera. Unlike most of the others you've seen, the glare doesn't obstruct Demon's mask that much. Lastly, we'll try them out in the Geats Buster QB9. The Deno Belt Buckle, The Wizardriver Buckle. The Build Driver Buckle. The Ziku Driver Buckle. The Seiken Swordriver Buckle.
Saber Booster. Saber Booster. Boost Tactical Impact. Blade. Saber Booster. Boost Tactical Impact.
And the Demon's Driver Buckle.
Demo's Booster. Demo's Booster. Boost Tactical Impact. Blade. Demo's Booster. Boost Tactical Impact.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.